everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we got a nickel box from Wells Fargo to hunt today. Now, I've been starting to get back into nickels because I'm still on that quest for a V-nickel, and I'm still trying to complete my Buffalo set from roll hunting only, as well as an Early Jefferson set. I'm still looking for a 38S, 39D, a 50D, and one of the 40, I think a 43S wartime nickel that I haven't found yet. I'll have to look at my records, but it's one of the either 43 or 44. We've been on a little bit of a dry spell with nickels. We had a silver a couple of boxes ago, and then we had a Buffalo last box. But other than that, nothing really to speak of. I know those are good finds. If you can find one wartime nickel or one Buffalo in a box, that's a good box. We're hoping to get at least one or two of those in this box today, as well as some cool Early Jeffersons. So let's get to hunting. Fourth roll into the box, guys. We got our first 40s coin. Hits a little bit, got some gunk on it, but it's a 48. 48S. We'll take it on the board with a 48 Jefferson nickel. Roll number 7, our second 40s nickel of the box. 1946. Philadelphia. We'll take it. That's 2 old Jeffersons. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, roll 20. Check it out. We've got a wartime nickel, San Francisco mint, 1945. We'll take it. It's a little dirty, like all these nickels have been. Looks like another coin was set on top of it for a while. But it's our first silver wartime nickel. Got a couple from the 40s. Got 5 ugly ones from the 50s and a 2009. Oh, and I pulled this coin aside because it's a pretty nice 1969. All right. Let's find some more. Roll 27, guys, and it looks like we have possibly another wartime silver nickel. It's 42. It has the silver look, but this is the transition year, so let's take a look. Oh, it's not silver, but it is a D, and there is a variety coin for the 42D. It's a D over horizontal D. I don't think I see it, but I'm going to look at it under my microscope just to double check, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, the verdict's out. It's just a 42 non-silver Denver Mint nickel. Still a really cool find because I only have 6 in my collection. That's number 7. We'll take it. It's not silver, though. I thought I had my silver number 2, but oh well. Roll 29. Another 40s nickel. 1949. Philadelphia. We'll take it. 4 from the 40s plus a silver. Roll 30. And what is that, a Mexican peso? Yep. $1. Well, first 4 into the box. Roll 45, guys, and we've got kind of a first here. I see a 1941 Denver Mint. That's the oldest of the box. Right back here, I see a 47 Philadelphia. We'll take that as well. And I think this one says 40. It does. It says 40. So I'm going to go out on a limb and think that's 1940. Maybe a 1940 Denver? I can't tell. Maybe it's nothing. Either way, it's a 1940 nickel as well. So 3 in a row right there. And that now puts us at 3, 6, 9 from the 40s. And 12 from the 50s plus a silver war nickel. Let's see if there's any more in this box. Last roll of the box, guys. Last 6 coins? And look at this. It's a 1939. Can it give me the D? That didn't sound good, but you know what I meant. Nope, no Denver. We're still looking for a 1939 D. But I'll take a 1939 nickel at the end of the box. And while I got you here, there's nothing else in that roll. So let me go ahead and give you a wrap up. All right, guys, another box hunted. We ended up with one 2009, a Mexican peso. We got, what is that, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 from the 50s, from 52 to 59. Don't need to go through all the finds. We got a 40, a 41, a 42, Denver, non-silver, 46, a 47, two 48s, and two 49s. We also got a 1939 Philadelphia Mint, and the find of the box, 1945, in really good shape. San Francisco Mint, wartime nickel, silver. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt with me. We got at least something that we wanted out of the box. That's a good find. If you did enjoy the hunt, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.